Hi, welcome back to my Creative African Cooking channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video, I'm coming up with my Lamugee recipe, spiced rice drink. Alright, so let's step through the ingredients. Here I have 2 cups of rice soaked overnight. I'm using jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I'm also using 2 pieces of bird eye chilies. This is optional. I'm adding this for some hotness. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla extract. I'm using some ginger and 1 tablespoon of cloves, pepper. Alright, so yes, let's get started. To my blender, I'll add my rice, bird eye chilies, ginger, and then cloves, and add a little bit of water to that. Blend it nicely. After blending that, I will then pour this into my strainer and strain it. Okay, yes, I'm going to rinse my blender and add that. Okay, yeah, just like I'm doing in the video. Alright, so after using my strainer, I'm going to strain it again for the second time, and I'll show you the reason why I am straining this twice. Okay, so yes, in another bowl, I'll cover it with my cloth. Okay, I'm using this lace thin. You can use any cloth of your choice. If you have a sackcloth, that will also work. Alright, so yes, I'm straining it for the second time to get the most out of it. Alright guys, so look at that. This is the reason why I strained for the second time. There is more of the roughage in there. Okay, so after straining it for the second time, I'm adding my sugar. I will then give this a good stir to make sure that the sugar dissolves. Alright, so next I'll add the vanilla extract. One tablespoon. I'll give it a good stir again to make sure that it combines well. Alright, my Lamugee is ready to be served. Now I'm adding some ice because this really goes well when it's chilled. Yes, pour in my Lamugee on the ice. Okay, I'll leave this to chill. I'm adding some lime to it for that tangy flavor. That's it for today's video. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.